Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a kangan like this from your old used bangles. Okay friends, let's start the things we need to make this bangle. Couple of old bangles. This is the resham reel. You can get it from Amazon or your local market easily. This is a nug chain. This is nug chain white. And this is golden glass nug. This is blue jerkin. This is fabric glue. The most important thing to make this huge bangle, fabric glue. Put some fabric glue like this on a bangle and attach another bangle on it. Repeat it again like this. We use 9 or 10 bangles to make this huge bangle, huge kangan. Apply some glue on resham reel. And wrap it like this. Apply little more. Wrap this resham reel all around. Just cut it and apply some glue. Now this is the second step. Put some glue on it and install a golden glass nug like this. put some glue like this and install a jerkin, a blue jerkin like this. It looks very nice when you wear it on jeans, skirts, salwar kameez, sari. Every dress you wear, it looks very nice and beautiful. And you can make it very cheaply at home. Now we are installing a pink color nug chain, or you can call it ladi. Okay, we just finished the installation of pink chain. Now we are installing a white nug chain. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, this is it. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe.